This machine is the latest DTF printer developed by our factory and shaking powder dryer. Its maximum printing width is 30 centimeters. With 2 Epson i3200 print head, or choose 2 XP600 print heads, capable of printing images faster and clearer. White ink and color ink can be printed in one go, achieving perfect color matching between white ink and color ink. Equipped with white ink circulation to prevent white ink clog. Using the best quality Hansen motherboard on the market to improve printing accuracy and stability. Control panel, intuitive interface, easy to operate. Elevating the ink stack, automatic cleaning, and protecting the nozzle. CMYKW large capacity ink bottle. Powder sprinkling device. Shake powder area, automatic shaking powder. Intelligent temperature-controlled oven can provide stable heat, making the film baking more uniform. Multi-functional control panel, easy to operate. Collecting powder box, recycling and reusing powder. Automatic feed-up take-up system. Applied to clothing, handbags, shoes and hats, handicrafts, advertising products.